Ho, 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 and welcome to the next Fit Finance Sessions Advent Calendar window opening. And today we're going to talk about ISAs, individual savings accounts. Tom, tell me about an ISA. What's it good for?
An ISA is a way to save money in a tax-free environment. So any money in the ISA grows free of capital gains, income tax. It's mostly tax-free. There's some withholding taxes, but for basic layman's terms, it's entirely tax-free. You put money in there from your own personal account, and if you want to take it out, there's no tax penalty to do so. And you can either invest in cash via a cash ISA like you'd have at the bank, but equally you could use your ISA to invest in other investments, whatever they might be, and get the same tax treatment.
That sounds cool. Tim, how much can I save in my ISA this year?
So each year, everybody's got an allowance of £20,000, and you can only pay into one ISA per tax year. So, for example, if you've got a cash ISA and a stocks and shares ISA, £20,000 is your collective allowance, but you can't be chopping that up all over the place in your different products. So you need to select one per year, essentially. And just to bolt on to what Tom was saying there, I mean, a lot of people see a downside to ISAs in that yes, it's tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals, but you've paid tax on the money that you're putting into the ISA anyway. So generally speaking, it's beneficial to build up money in the ISA wrapper, but in conjunction with the other tax wrappers that are available to us, such as the pension wrapper, for example.
Sounds great. I'll start using my ISA allowance this afternoon. Until next time, thanks very much. Bye-bye.